Fresh concerns this evening that the programs being used to stop violence in schools are not working and new ideas are needed. Amid that critique is also worrying news about the health sector and its treatment of reproductive issues. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
I'm tired of seeing videos of kids fighting one another, kids fighting teachers. I'm tired of the violence where kids are now becoming collateral damage.
A frustrated medical doctor and public commentator who says he wants the violence in schools to end. Dr. Michael Abrams says he made a proposal years ago on how to help fix the problem. But the response since has been less than satisfactory.
It's a subject on the curriculum where kids learn about things like gratitude, empathy, kindness, compassion, respect, consent, boundaries, those kind of things. I was told it was a good idea. There's a name for that. Character education. Look that up as well. I was asked to form a task force, which I did. We've been meeting from 2021. This is 2024. This year, I decided to do an informal survey. I spoke to teachers at high school, prep school, primary school, basic school, college. Not one of them has heard about this from the Ministry of Education. I'm calling out the Ministry of Education now. I'm calling out the government now. Those of you who know people at the ministry, I am asking you to ask them to fast track this.
He insists the programs presently being used are not working. The medical practitioner was speaking on Friday at the presentation of data from a 2021 reproductive health survey on Jamaica. Among the findings,
the maternal mortality rate is unacceptably high. On one hand, the global target regarding births attended by a skilled provider, the global target is 90%. Births attended by a skilled provider. Our rate is 97.8, which is high. We have a lot of skilled providers attending to women giving birth. But our maternal mortality rate, the global target is 70 per 100,000, and ours is 124. It's almost double.
But that's not all.
Another trend that's concerning is that the births have come down, and it shows in the fertility rates. So at the turn of the century, it was about 50,000. The birth cohort was about 50, and it's now 32, 30. So it has almost halved in the past 20 to 30 years. And that is a concern because the burden of births has decreased.
The Ministry of Health says the matters are being addressed as priority, and its national and local level responses will be accelerated this year.